Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change WhatsApp profile picture. To change your profile picture on WhatsApp, launch open the WhatsApp application on your phone and then from the home page, tap on the gear button or the settings icon at the bottom right corner. There you will be able to see your profile avatar and your name. Go ahead and tap on your profile picture and then click on edit. Now, in the pop-up, click on Choose Photo in order to pick a photo from your camera roll. You can also take a picture from your camera by tapping on Take Photo and clicking your picture. I'm just gonna pick an existing image of myself. Tap on Choose Photo to end up in your device's gallery. Now select a picture you'd like to use for your WhatsApp profile. Adjust the picture within the frame and tap on Choose at the bottom right, and that's how you can easily change your profile picture on WhatsApp. Now your friends will see your fresh DP next time they chat with you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.